field exercise.
Advance bird.
Let's fall back there.
Now coming to ESO, I'm glad the people are being recruited are well-educated young people who have now been trained. Their work is also clear. Because the foreign missions, the embassies, are really aimed at three or so targets. Number one, to get investments from abroad coming to Uganda. Investments. Number two, get markets for our products so that we sell more abroad. Number three, tourists, attract more tourists to come to Uganda. This is the work of the embassy. Then number four, for the ESO person there, we will have to deal with the threats of terrorism, which may emanate from where he or she is based abroad and come to our country. That would be apart from monitoring the other 3, which are done by the ambassador and the other officers, for him to know that they are doing their work. We reported back and said, these people are asleep, they don't do this, they don't do that. But yours specifically, in addition to the 3, monitoring is monitoring terrorism, threats, security threats to our country from where you are based. Maybe number 5 would be the diaspora. Because the diaspora, Uganda generated a big diaspora, mainly on account of our turbulent history. But sometimes they get all sorts of good political ideas, but also bad ones. So the S officer there should monitor that. And maybe link up with them, see how to diffuse the negative and encourage the positive. Now, that is while abroad. Now, the ones inside here, detecting the foreigners who come here who are dangerous, that one you will have to work with other people in the security services. The issue should not be arresting people. No. The intelligence services have no powers of arrest. Powers of arrest are with the police. Yours is to detect. But as the Director General said, you need discipline to do that. Because in discipline, it takes away your time. So, ideological commitment, technical competence, and discipline. You will go far. With these few words, I again congratulate the graduates, and I congratulate the ESO for this training, and I thank the UPDF for providing this facility.
Your Excellency, we thank you more and much more for the enhancement of our budget allocations over the years, especially in the last 7 years, which improved the welfare of all the staff of ESO, and it provides reasonably sufficient facilities for our work. Up to the year 2015, ESO only posted 12 officers abroad, and that was in only 12 embassies of Uganda. Today we have deployed 36 officers in strategic foreign missions. In 2015, we have deployed our officers in only 20 border stations and field stations. But now, Your Excellency, our officers are posted in over 50 of those stations. Your Excellency, when you appointed me to be the Director General of the External Security Organization, you directed me to help you and clean ESO. Sir, today ESO is one united family of happy men and women who are concentrating on our works as one community of loyal and dedicated staff to serve you, sir, and our nation. Now, I would like to thank you, the trainees, for successfully completing your basic intelligence course after 3 months from 1st June 2021, as well as this basic military training for 7 months, which started from 1st September 2021. You may think that the past 10 months of training have been hard, but the places where you will go after deployment and the situations in which you will find yourself serving may even be much harder still. Discipline must be the paramount and cardinal hallmark of your lives as intelligence officers. And it applies to all aspects of your careers in the service and even after retirement. In modern world, intelligence organization is a knowledge-based force, making us most relevant in economic transformations of our country, Uganda. The application of science and technology and information technology has become an integral part of intelligence tradecraft and preparedness to support all operations of uniformed servicemen. And in this current knowledge era, every intelligence officer is a thinking machine, meaning we need better educated and better trained officers so that we may match global partnerships, which ESO is an active party to join arms with friendly intelligence services to combat global terrorism and all other threats.
Your Excellency, I would like to join the speaker before who congratulated you upon the admission of the DRC into the East African community. I would also like to congratulate you on the good leadership you have provided to this country, especially in the area of security. You are coming here today to pass out the security officers, demonstrates the importance you attach to their work. I would like to thank you, PDF, for working closely with other security agencies. Today, all security agencies in Uganda work very harmoniously, which is very important for the security of the country. To the graduates, intelligence requires discipline, and military training instills discipline in you. So you are starting off very strongly to be able to do your work.